Oh, excuse me, Raymond. Hey family, welcome back to another video. This is actually the video that you guys have been waiting for. And so have I, and so have Ron. So today we are beginning to prep and begin the process of painting the cabinetry. Now Ron went over everything that's going to be used in this process, and it's going to be over on his channel. But I'll give you a flashing of what we're using here on this channel. But if you want full details like class, you know, you have to go to his channel and check it out. So let me show you everything. Degreaser to clean off all the grit and grime off the cabinets. Sanding stuff to do a light sanding so that the product can adhere to the cabinets. If you remember from back home when I did the first I tried the stain method, so I had to sand all of that stuff down, but I had to clean them first. So same process here, really. It's just using this, and you have to mix this with water. I guess it's that strong, I'm not sure. So we got the little bowl to mix it. We got the paints that we're using and the primer. Now, this particular paint right here says, and this is the exact same paint that I did use at the house in white. It's the Valspar brand paint, furniture and paint. And it says on here that no sanding or priming is needed. Okay. Of course, you know, I didn't sand or prime at the house. And we still have those same white cabinets. Now, Ron is a little bit different. He's more of a perfectionist. So we are doing all of the above. So we're about to do this part, and we're going to be sanding, and we're going to be priming, probably multiple coats, I'm sure, and then the actual paint. Now, the only thing that's getting painted in here is the facing of all the cabinetry. So all the doors will come off, and Ron is going to paint that with a sprayer in the garage. So the only thing I'll be painting is like this part of, just imagine the doors off, right? Like the frame, just the actual base cabinet frame. And the doors will be out in the garage, hooked up on a system that he has rigged up, and they'll get painted out there. So I don't think I left nothing out. All the materials, the process is about to begin.
Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want, all of your love. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew, then you
spread it apart.
Going that way?
Let's go. Have a way we go.
Alright, we got a tool. We gonna pass this hole. Everybody got all this under there.
Pull yours apart.
You said pull it apart?
Yeah.
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. Make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7.
Show you this contraption that Ron has built. Girl. Okay, look at this. Look at this. This is to hang the cabinet doors on to dry after they get painted. Okay. So he'll paint outside and bring them in here and let them dry so no debris or nothing can get on them. But let me show y'all now what he's out here building. He's building him a paint capsule. Oh my God. Hey, Whittler.
Way too much.
It is so much Ron.
Huh.
What is going on out here? What is happening? It's wood. Look at the driveway, y'all. Please, 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 please.
Yeah, you ready, man?
Ron,
Yeah, you ready, huh?
what is happening out here? It looks like a tornado only hit this house.
I'm gonna need some walls.
You're building some walls.
Yeah. Some little short walls.
Okay.
Right? I'm gonna need some walls so I can have three walls, a wall here, a wall here, and a wall here. And then I'll take this queen and wrap it all the way around so I can enclose it with plastic, so I can close this whole little painting area in plastic so I won't get paint all over the garage.
And so you're going to be standing in there painting them doors.
Yep.
This man. Look, please, look at the driveway. Look. Oh my God. I bet the neighbors is driving by like they stay working on something.
Stay working on something.
Babe is building him an encapsulated paint room.
Yep.
Busy as all get out.
You gotta do it right, babe.
I know you do.
Gotta do it right the first time. I just can't I can imagine all that paint all over the place. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then this wood was like $40-something. You know, I'd rather spend $40-something to have a clean workspace
Right.
than just be winging it and have paint all over the place. Because Lord knows I don't know what I'm doing.
You don't know what you're doing. Yes, you do.
I ain't no spray painter.
Yes, you do.
It's going to be a lot of trial and error going
Oh
on
my
here.
goodness. Oh my goodness.
A lot of trial and error.
Well, let me go back to my job.
All right. You done with the drill?
Yep. You want it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Good morning. Day 2. Talk about getting it done the right way. This paint station is a full-on construction. Look at this. This man. Update. So, let me show you. This is all I've sanded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 doors, right? That's all I've sanded. Lights on, please. Okay. I have all this left. All of this. These. And drawer fronts to sand. 2. Yeah. That's my update. And I'm gonna end the video here. Come back for the rest of day 2, which is today, in the next video. We're nowhere near getting to this part of it until this part of it is done. And then we have to prep this part to be sanded as well. So that's going to be the rest of today, or as far as we can go today. I am lollygagging. I'll sand a little bit. I'll go sit down. I'll sand a little bit and I'll go sit down. I'm moving really slow. I'm tired. All the hangers that Ron is going to be using to paint and hang them up to dry is the felt ones. These are the ones that work the best for his setup. And we're coming along. We're coming, but it's just, I feel like we just moving in slow motion or something. I don't know. This is definitely the hardest freaking part, is this sanding stuff and getting down in here, and this is a lot. I think help is on the way. Help is coming. Is help coming, babe? Maybe? Okay. We're supposed to have help. Rick is supposed to come and help me sand. But this is what I have left. And I'm just going to find the energy someplace. I got to pull it from somewhere so that I can push through. But just come back tomorrow for whatever, however far we get today.